Welcome to Nash Rich. Today we're diving into 10 amazing gadgets that are practical, innovative, and perfect for upgrading your daily life. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome finds, and don't forget to check the product links in the description to grab your favorites. Let's get started. Product 1. Meat Chopper Potato Masher. Starting with the meat chopper and potato masher. This 2-in-1 kitchen tool makes meal prep a breeze. Whether you're smashing potatoes to creamy perfection or breaking up ground meat for a hearty dish, this gadget is a kitchen essential. Durable, easy to clean, and ergonomically designed, it's a must-have for home chefs. Product 2. Life Desk Vacuum. Next up, the Life Desk Vacuum is here to save your workspace from dust and crumbs. Compact yet powerful, this gadget is perfect for cleaning keyboards, desks, or any small mess. Stay organized and spotless with this handy helper. Product 3. IT Dusters AirTech. For all the tech enthusiasts, the IT Dusters AirTech is a game changer. Say goodbye to traditional canned air. This electric air duster is eco-friendly and provides a powerful, consistent airflow to clean delicate electronics like keyboards, cameras, or gaming consoles. Product 4. Zezafan Compressed Air Duster. Similar to AirTech, the Zezafan Compressed Air Duster adds versatility to your cleaning arsenal. With adjustable airflow settings, it's perfect for tackling dirt in tight spaces. Ideal for tech lovers or anyone who wants to keep their gadgets pristine. Product 5. HP DeskJet 2755E. Printing made simple. The HP DeskJet 2755i combines affordability with convenience, offering wireless printing, scanning, and copying all in one. Perfect for students, home offices, or anyone needing hassle-free printing on a budget. Product 6. Sekrui Wireless Doorbell. Upgrade your home security with the Sekrui Wireless Doorbell. Featuring multiple chime options, a wide wireless range, and a sleek design, it's both practical and stylish. Installation is quick and easy. Just plug and play. Product 7. Muka Air Purifiers for Home. Breathe cleaner air with the Muka Air Purifier. This compact yet powerful device filters allergens, dust, and even odors, making it perfect for homes with pets or allergies. Enjoy fresher, healthier air every day. Product 8. Ecolution Patented Micro Pop Movie Nights just got better with the Ecolution Patented Micro Pop. This microwave popcorn popper offers a healthier way to enjoy your favorite snack, free from chemicals and additives. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Product 9. Mintao's Car Vacuum. Keep your car spotless with the Mintao's Car Vacuum. Compact yet powerful, it easily tackles crumbs, dirt, and pet hair. With multiple attachments, it reaches every nook and cranny, ensuring a professional level clean. Product 10. WLM Wi-Fi Extender Signal Booster. Finally, boost your internet speed with the WLM Wi-Fi Extender. This device eliminates dead zones, ensuring seamless streaming and browsing in every corner of your home. A must-have for gamers and remote workers alike. These gadgets aren't just useful, they're game changers for your everyday life. Find all the product links in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to Nash Rich for more amazing finds. Which gadget was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.